Hi students, welcome to HP Kapriya School. I am Nisha James and I am taking biology practical. Today we are going to do another 12th standard biology practical, that is to study water holding capacity of a soil. You know that soil is an important medium, okay, or an important structure which is holding water. This water holding is very important for the survival of the plant, because plants are getting water that is present in the soil. There are different types of soil. Depending on the type of the soil, the water holding capacity will also vary. For example, sandy soil, which is having a very less water holding capacity, because the soil particles are arranged loosely. Whereas clay soil, that is having a very good water holding capacity. It is holding water for a long period of time, so that also cannot be suitable for farming, because excessive water in the soil, that is resulting in wilting of fruit. So the best type of soil for cultivation is loam soil, which is having medium sized particle and having medium water holding capacity. So today we are going to do the practical of water holding capacity of soil. So I am starting the practical number 20, water holding capacity of soil. So now I am going to tell you how to perform that in a rough way. First you have to take a soil sample, then you have to weigh it. You have to add some amount of water. Then you have to hold the soil for some period of time. After some period of time, you have to again do the weighing of the soil. Then there will be difference in weight. This difference in weight indicates how much amount of water is held by the soil. Okay, so after doing this practical, you have to do the calculation in a observation table. Okay, so that is our introduction for the practical. Now I am going to tell you how to perform the practical. So students, now we are starting the practical. Now I will tell you how to perform this practical. This is very important practical. This can be asked for examination. So first I am going to introduce you what are the various materials required for this practical. First one, you need a weighing balance. In this weighing balance, you will take measurement, okay, of the soil sample and all the further weight. And then you need a soil sample. So I have taken the soil sample in a beaker. You have to do the weight of this particular soil sample. Then you need a conical flask. In this we will do filtration. And how we will do filtration? With help of a thistle funnel. Okay. Now there is a measuring cylinder. In this we will take some quantity of water. Okay. And a jug with water. So these are the way, and there is a filter paper in which we are doing filtration. So these are the various materials we needed for the practical. Now I am starting the practical. First you have to do the weight of the soil sample. Okay. For that I have already taken the beaker. The beaker is having a weight of 5 grams. Then I have added 45. Then I have added 50 grams of the soil. Okay. So I have added 50 grams of the soil. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to take the soil. After weighing 50 grams, you have to take the soil, because you have to wet the soil, and then you have to do the weight again. So what you have to do? First you have to take a filter paper, fold it properly. I will show you how to fold. This is a filter paper. First you fold in this way, then again you have to fold, then you get it triangular form. You have to keep this triangular form in a thistle funnel. This thistle funnel I am keeping in a conical flask. Okay. Now you have to add this 50 gram of soil in this filter paper. Okay, filter paper. Now you have to add nearly 20 ml of water. So I have taken water in a jug. Now with help of the measuring cylinder I am measuring 20 ml of water. You know that water is transparent, so we have to measure the lower meniscus. Okay. So some amount is more, so that I am transferring. So it is 20 ml. Now this 20 ml of soil, 20 ml of water, I am pouring in this particular soil sample. Okay. You have to pour this slowly. So when we are pouring water in the soil, some amount of water will be absorbed or some amount of water will be held by the soil, and only very little amount is coming out through the filter paper. Now we have to wait for some time. After some time we will get the water which is washing out through the filter paper. So that is our practical. Now what we have to do is we have to weight the wet soil. So already we have taken 50 gram of dry soil. Now we have to do weight of the wet soil. Then this difference in weight, that will give an idea regarding how much amount of water is absorbed by the given soil sample. Okay, so I am waiting for some time to get the particular filtrate. So students, after performing the practical, you have to fill the observation table. So this is the observation table. We have taken a soil sample, that is a mixed soil. Okay. Now what you have to fill, that I am going to tell you. Okay. In examination you have to perform this practical and then you have to find out the result. Okay. So first you have to, this is the first column. Okay. In first column, weight of the crucible. Okay. Whatever the crucible that you are taking, uska weight karna hai, and blotting paper. Weight of the crucible, I have taken beaker here. Uska weight है 5 gram और blotting paper का weight है 1 gram. So total 6 grams we are having. In second column, weight of the A. Weight of A means crucible and blotting paper and also the soil sample. So that means 6 gram of the crucible we are having. Okay, and then what we have to do, the soil sample ka weight है 50 gram, so that will be 56 gram. Now weight of soil sample. Okay, so this B is a combination of the crucible, blotting paper and soil sample. So in third column we have to represent only weight of the soil sample. Weight of the soil sample कैसे मिलेंगे? 56 gram है, including all the thing. इसमें से we have to minus the particular crucible weight. Okay, so we will get the 50 gram. Now weight of the crucible plus blotting paper plus wet soil, that is D. So it will be 5 gram of crucible, 1 gram of filter paper, and after adding water, the weight of the soil that we have measured, that is mainly 55 gram. That 55 gram, then we are getting this value 61 gram. Now, what is the weight of the wet soil? Okay, wet soil ka weight kya hai? That is D minus A equal to E. The value we are getting is E. So after, how to get E? We have to minus D. Okay, we have to reduce minus A from D. So D we have already calculated 61 gram. From the 61 gram, we have to minus A. A is 6 gram. Okay. So weight of the wet soil is equal to D minus A. What is T? That we have already calculated. That is 61 gram. From the 61 gram, we have to minus A. A is already we have calculated. That is 6 gram. Then we will get the value, that is 55 gram. Now, the amount of water absorbed. Amount of water absorbed is equal to N. How to calculate N? That is E minus C. What is E? E is the weight of the wet soil, that is 55 gram. We have already done the weight. that we have taken in the first, that is 50 gram. So 55 minus 50 is equal to 50 gram. So 55 minus 50 is equal to 5 gram. So nearly 5 gram of water is being absorbed by the particular soil sample. So this is the way you have to do the practical. In this way, in examination, any type of soil sample can be kept. So you have to do this method. After that, you have to do the calculation. Okay, so first you have to do the weight of dry soil, then you have to do the weight of wet soil. Difference in weight indicate the amount of water absorbed by the soil sample. Okay, so that is our practical. Okay, and from this we have calculated the water holding capacity. So I think all of you understood the practical. Thank you.